Good morning, guys. Look at Lily, guys. He cuts the feather. Playing time, morning play with them, guys. See the lovely cats. It's nice to play with them after their breakfast. They're so cute, guys. If they catch the feather, yan. This is our lovely kittens playing. Yay! Yay! Yan sila, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice Monday morning to all of us. Our time is 6:30, 35, 6:40 in the morning. Bye, guys. He cuts again. Lily, so good you. Lily, don't ruin the feather. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all.